This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. Okay, I'll share my screen to continue. Okay. So we have three types of load. One is full load, one is incremental load, that is we are appending the data, and one is upsert or merge. Oh, my voice is audible, right?
Yes, Shraddha, we can hear you.
Okay. So now, so this scenario we will use when we have already loaded data into the reporting table, but there are changes in source. So we need to update our own reporting table also. So in those cases, we'll use upsert or merge. Okay. Now, uh, Nazmuddin, you can share your screen and open.
Sure.
Okay. Now open Alteryx. Now select output tool. Okay. And just drag this left side configuration pane little bigger. Make it little bigger.
This one.
No, no, not this one. You have selected output tool, right? Left side, there is a configuration pane that have come. So drag that little bigger. Left side pane, I'm saying. Left side, there is a pane. Yeah, yeah. Uh, No, no, no. Not this one. Okay, select on the empty space. Just hit empty space. Okay. So left side, what you see? Canvas, workflow, runtime,
Work
events,
time
meta info, right?
events.
So there is a
Mhm.
configuration page left side. So whatever tool you
Ah, okay.
select, that tool's configuration will come left side. So here you see. So just
Yes.
expand and make it little bigger so that we all can see the details of the configuration also. Yeah, yeah, make it even bigger. Okay. Now here you can see in the output options. Okay, what are the output options?
Max records per file. We can select how many records
Mm,
we can
mm, Okay.
display,
After that, file format.
format,
After that,
dis
connection ID. And what is the table
table
name
name,
we are writing to? And what are the
create a
output
new.
options?
Okay.
Okay, so these are the output options that I was talking about, like in ATL. You just drop down that output options. Okay,
Okay.
so here
Override
you
table,
have
create a new.
hmm, override table. So override table is when you create this workflow and schedule on the server, every day it will delete the table completely and insert the data that we have picked from the input, two input data sources we have, right? So every day it will delete our reporting table, which we have created in SQL Server, then again pull data from all those two inputs and insert it. So every day this will happen if we schedule that way. If we do a overwrite table drop. So next option we have append existing. So append existing, what it does is, so whether you have inserts, updates, whatever it may be, I'm not concerned. So whatever data that I'm pulling every day, just write that. That means just add to my, keep on adding data to my existing table. I'm not concerned about duplicates, anything. So that is one scenario, appending. But there are scenarios where we want to handle um that we want to handle updates also. Whatever updates happened on the source, whatever deletes happened on the source, we want that changes to take place in our reporting table also. So in that case, we will use upsert or update insert if new. So there is a last option, is it? Last option.
Update and insert new.
This option will do that. So uh, if you can also build this logic in SQL, or without using this option also you can work out uh, how to create this upsert logic. You can also use merge statement in SQL. So we have merge statement also. So there are various options to do it. But in simple way, as a Alteryx user, in simple way, if you want to do, you can just simply select this option and make sure you have primary key defined in your table, so that it will ask for primary key, because it will look changes in data based on primary key, and it will do updates or inserts, whatever it is required. Okay. So these are the output options we have. So whatever the three options that I discussed, right? So mainly ETL follows those three options in load scenarios. So final load. So we have ETL, right? In the load, we will have three options. Either you do full load, incremental, or upsert. So in the transformation, we have a lot of uh, changes that depends on the business rule. And in the extract, we have a lot of options. Whatever sources we need, we can connect to it. So this is a simple workflow that we create. So once you start working on it, once you start using it in your project, this may become very complex workflow also. But knowing these concepts will help you think like how I can build my workflow, what scenario to use. Do I need override daily, or override, or incremental load, or do I need upsert? So those things will help you while building it. Okay. So let's go through questions. If you have any questions, we can go one by one. Okay, you can stop sharing, Nazbuddin. You can stop. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead.
Based on this Alteryx tool, we will design the ETL process, Shadbhai.
ETL process will be same across all the tools. You take SSIS, or you take Informatica, you take data stage, anything. Process will be same.
Okay.
So that is a concept how to design ETL tool. But the tools, how you do in Alteryx will be different from how you do in SSIS. But final overwriting, appending, upserting, these concepts will be same, whichever tool you take.
Okay. Okay, today that's all for class. Shall anything you need to tell or anything you need to explain?
No, no, I don't have anything.
Okay.
So
Can
if
you
Madhur and Yusuf, if you have any questions, you can ask.
I have some doubts about this mentorship program? Can you stop that recording?
Okay, okay, sure, sure.